Hello friends, in this video lecture I'll be talking about factors that can affect basicity. This is a very short video. I will be talking about only one factor that can affect the basicity of molecules, that is basicity increases with increasing negative charge on nitrogen. Okay, the effect of charge, that's the factor that I'm going to discuss. So for suppose you have a 3 nitrogen containing compound such as ammonia, which does not contain any charge, it's a neutral, NH2 amine that contains a negative charge, and NH which contains 2 negative charges. Then which is going to be more basic? The simple answer is basicity increases with increased negative charge. So least basic obviously would be the ammonia because it does not contain any charge. Then the basic will be negative charge containing NH2 group. This will be more acidic than NH3, and this NH will be more acidic than NH2 and ammonia. So this will be the most basic according to this effect, that is effect of charge, and the basicity increases with increased negative charge. And if you look at the pKa values, the pKa value for least basic is very 9.2, and the pKa for this more basic is 38. So higher the basic compound, more will be the pKa, and the pKa is directly related to basicity and inversely related to acidity. Thanks for watching this video. I will make more videos on the basicity that can help you to understand and predict which nitrogen or which group is more basic in any molecule. So apply this concept of charge that can affect basicity and you can predict the basicity of any molecule by using this concept. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.